What do you see here? Well, this is our environment. This is the kind of environment which we live in. Now, it consists of so many different things, right? From the buildings to trees to roads and even the water body. Everything is used by us, isn't it? Now, whatever we use for meeting our requirements is actually called a resource. So, what exactly is a resource? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs is a resource. So, whatever we use in the environment that is available to us for meeting any of our needs is a resource. For example, we use different types of furniture. Now, we need wood for furniture, isn't it? And where do we get this wood from? Well, we get the wood from trees, isn't it? So, trees are a resource because trees provide us wood to make furniture. So, we are using trees for meeting our needs, and so trees are a resource. Now, we need different types of plastic items. Now, how are these made? These are made from chemicals in factories. So, we need different items made of plastic, and chemicals are a resource for that, because from chemicals we get plastic items which are used by us. So, chemicals are satisfying our needs, and that's why chemicals are a resource. Now, we also need food to survive, and for that we grow crops. And how do we grow crops? Well, we need water to grow crops, isn't it? So, without water we cannot have food. So, again, water is satisfying a very important need of ours, and that's why water is a resource. Now, let's come to another example. Now, we need clothing. Now, cotton is a resource for clothing. You must have seen many different shirts and trousers made of cotton. Now, cotton comes from cotton plant, isn't it? Now, we also have nylon, which is again a resource for clothing. So, you must have seen many clothes which are made of nylon. So, nylon is also a fabric, cotton is also a fabric, and both are resources for clothing. So, what is the difference between cotton and nylon? Well, a major difference between both of them is that one is natural while other one is man-made. So, why do I say this as natural and this is man-made? Because we get cotton from cotton plants. So, that is available in nature already. While in the case of nylon, nylon fabric is made from chemicals. So, from chemicals we generate fabric in laboratory, which is then used to make clothing. So, this is man-made, made by mankind, while this is available in nature. That's why this is natural while this is man-made. And accordingly, resources have been divided into two major categories. One is natural resource, other is man-made resource. So, what is a natural resource? A natural resource is anything that is found in nature and can be used by people. What are the examples? Well, wind, water, coal, etc. All these are already available in nature. We don't make them. So, these are natural resources. And what are man-made resources? Well, a man-made resource is anything that is created by humans and does not occur naturally. It is produced and consumed by humans. So, what is a man-made resource? Well, it is created by humans. It does not occur naturally, and that is why it is a man-made resource. Examples are computers, cars, rayon fiber, and many more things, all that are made by human beings. So now, can you tell me, is soil a resource? Does it satisfy any of our needs? What do you think? Well, the answer is yes. Definitely, soil is a resource because without soil, we will have no plants. Plants cannot grow without soil. So, soil is a very important resource. Now, what kind of resource is it? Is it a natural resource or a man-made resource? So, soil is a dash resource. What will be the right answer? Well, the answer will be it is a natural resource because soil is already available in nature. We don't make soil. So, soil is a natural resource. Now, is calculator a resource? Do we use it to satisfy any of our needs? The answer is yes, definitely. We perform many difficult calculations using a calculator. So, definitely calculator is a resource. Now, the question is, calculator is a dash resource. That is it a natural or a man-made resource? What do you think? Well, the answer is it is a man-made resource because calculators are not available naturally. We human beings make it. That's why it is a man-made resource. So you see, when we talk about resources, everything which is used by us to satisfy our needs is a resource. Again, these resources can be further classified into two major categories. First is natural resources. So what are natural resources? Whatever is available naturally to us, that is provided by nature. For example, soil, plants, water and sun. All these are provided by nature and we use them for our needs. While computers, machines, calculators and nylon fabric, all these are made by us. They are man-made, and so these are man-made resources. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.